So in this video, we're going to go through 4 more examples of completing the square. And this time I've made sure that the coefficient of x is an odd number. So this time we're going to be dealing with some fractions. So for our first one, we have x squared plus 3x take away 1. So we'll have x, and then we need to halve the 3. So I'm going to write that as a fraction. So 3 over 2, so 3 halves, squared. Then I take away 3 halves all squared. So remember, you've got to square the top, square the bottom, square the numerator, square the denominator. So 9 over 4. And then we have take away 1 on the end. Okay? So x plus 3 halves squared. Now, 1 is 4 quarters. So minus 9 quarters take away 4 quarters is minus 13 quarters. Okay, and now we have it in completed square form. Let's look at number 2. We have x, half of 5 is 5 halves. Now, you can do this in decimals, but as you go, you probably want to use a calculator to work out some of these when you're squaring them and then subtracting. It can get quite messy. So if you keep it as fractions, it's really good practice to practice your adding, subtracting fraction skills. Okay? So x plus 5 halves all squared. Then we need to take away this number squared. So we square the top and we square the bottom. And don't forget, we've got plus 2. So we've got x plus 5 halves squared. Now 2 is 8 quarters. So minus 25 quarters plus 8 quarters will be minus 17 quarters. Number 3, we're going to have x, and then half of minus 9, so minus 9 halves, squared. We need to take away this number squared. So square the top, square the bottom. And we've already got a plus 3. So we need to put that on the end. So we have x take away 9 halves squared. Now 3 is 12 quarters. So minus 81 quarters plus 12 quarters will be minus 69 quarters. Okay. Right, last one, number 4. X squared take away 11x take away 10. So first of all, x, half the minus 11, so minus 11 halves, squared. We need to subtract 11 halves squared, so that's 121 over 4. And we've got minus 10 there. So x take away 11 halves squared. 10 is 40 quarters. So minus 121 quarters take away 40 quarters will be minus 161 quarters. Okay, and we're done.